Sri Shivaya Namastubhyam. Today, in this upcoming Nag Panchami, we are going to give some remedies about Kalp Sarpadosh and Sarpadosh that happens in your Kundli due to Rahu and Ketu. This type of word, like you are having the Sarpadosh or Kalp Sarpadosh, you keep on hearing from the Pandit and the astrologer. So we are going to talk about certain very easy to do remedies and in very minimum cost that you can do. You can do this remedies for your work to be completed, like sub work has been hindered due to certain things and you feel that you have a Sarpadosh in the Kundli, or if you don't know about your Kundli, still your work has been hindered, your project has been hindered, the money that you are earning is not able to save, or you are not able to earn the money on this kind of thing. So you can do this remedy in upcoming Nag Panchami. What you have to do? First, you have to do that you have to find the Madar ka plant or the Aankh ka plant, also known as eye plant. The photo has been put in the video. Or if you cannot find that, then you have to find a peepal tree, sacred fig tree, or the banyan tree or the bargat tree. And the things that we require for the puja is 5 belva leaf. Yes, belva leaf, you will get it anywhere in the puja, or you will get it in by the roadside. Fine. And the second thing that you need is white chandan, or if you are not able to find that white chandan paste, you can also go with red chandan paste. Third, you need is 5 types of flower. Yes, it can be blue, it can be white, but definitely blue and white is needed, and rest you can take any 3. Fourth, you need is that a thread, also known as kacha soot. You will find that in the puja shop. Ask for the kacha soot or the thread that is easily broken with your hand. Now, the image has also been attached. What we have to do? We have to first, if you in fact cannot find all these three, we can also do it at a Shivalaya or at your home. That you have to go to the Shiv Mandir and offer the flour and milk to the sarp that has been, or the snake that has been put over the shivling by the temple. And what you have to do? You have to chant the Gayatri mantra, sarp Gayatri mantra, that is Om Navkulaye Vidmahi Visdantaye Dhimahi Tanno Sarpo Prachodayat. This you have to do for 108 times, and then you have to tie that kacha soot or the thread at the neck of the snake 7 times and ask for the forgiveness and fulfillment of your wish. You can also do this thing and offer milk on shivling and also on that sarp that you have tied the knot around, and offer the 5 flower that you have brought, and also the belva tree leaf, and on that you have to write Om Nag Devata. What you have to write? Om Nag Devata with white chandan or the red chandan that you have brought, and put it on the snake's head. Going forward, this is the first thing you can do. If you have able to find the eye plant or the peepal plant or the banyan tree, so there you can go there, you can take that kacha soot or the thread that you have bought and go around 7 times chanting the same sarp Gayatri mantra 108 times. You have to chant that mantra and tie 7 times. You have to go 7 times round and round and tie that thread around it and offer flower and also the milk on that tree, be it Madar ka plant or eye tree peepal tree or banyan tree and ask for the forgiveness and also ask for the fulfillment of wish. This will drastically reduce your hindrance due to Kal Sarpa dosh or the Sarpa dosh. Coming forward to the another most important remedy, if you can afford, buy 2 couple of Nag Nagin of silver. You do not have to buy a big silver thing. You can just buy the silver threads and make Nag Nagin out of that. 2 type of puja that we can do with that. One, you take the asan, put it there, put the Nag Nagin or the snake duo on the asan and offer milk and do the mantra of Rahu and Ketu. Om Rah Rahue Namah or the Bij mantra of Rahu, or Om Ketue Namah or the Bij mantra of Ketu. Whichever mantra you do, you have to do it 108 times equally. You could not miss out on the mantra. And while doing the mantra, also light the Google. You will find the Google in the shop. Why Google? Google represent Rahu. So you have to light the Dhoop Batti of Google. And also offer Batasa or the sugar biscuit, you can say. It can be of white. White is specially recommended. Now, if you don't find the Batasa, you can also offer the normal sugar that you use on day to day. And after doing that, ask for the forgiveness from heart, because Rahu and Ketu are also the karmic planet. So you have to ask for the forgiveness and also pray to Lord Shiva, as Lord Shiva has that serpent on its neck. So pray to Lord Shiva. You can chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times, and more better if you can chant Sri Shivaya Namastubhyam. I repeat, Sri Shivaya Namastubhyam 108 times and ask for the forgiveness and also for the fulfillment of wish. Now, what you have to do after this, you can take that Nag Nagin ka joda and you have to do Jal Visarjan, or you can say you have to put it into the running water and let it flow. While putting it in the running water, you have to again chant 108 times Sarp Gayatri mantra, which previously I have given in the video. And if you are still not able to do this silver thing, you can simply buy a kacha soot or the thread, a bit thicker one, white color thread. I make myself very clear. All the thread I have discussed, it should be of white color. You have to buy that, tie knot 7 times and chant the same Rahu Ketu mantra, Bij mantra or the mantra of Rahu Ketu that you normally can chant, and do the same thing. Offer milk, offer sweet white sugar or batasa, and after that, while chanting Om Namah Shivaya, open that knot that you have tied 7 times on the thread, and after in the evening you can go and do that Jal Visarjan in the running water. Maybe somewhere you will not be able to find the running water, so at the evening time you can also do it in your pond or certain kind of lakes, whatever you can find. Just do the Jal Visarjan there, but it's recommended the running water is far superior than the pond or the lake, but it's all about the availability. And while giving in the running water, you should always chant the Sarp Gayatri mantra and Sri Shivaya Namastubhyam. Thank you.